Welcome to Dr. RK classes. Today I will explain Grignard reagent. How to prepare Grignard reagent? What is the reactivity of Grignard reagent? I will explain now. Grignard reagent RMGX, alkyl magnesium halide, is called Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent: alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether to form alkyl magnesium halide, is called Grignard reagent. Here, reactivity of alkyl halides in the preparation of Grignard reagent: alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide, is more reactive than alkyl chloride, is more reactive than alkyl fluoride. Another one is reactivity. Here methyl halide is more reactive than primary alkyl halide. It is more reactive than secondary alkyl halide. It is more reactive than tertiary alkyl halide. In this case, here crowding is increases, reactivity decreases towards formation of Grignard reagent. These 2 points are important in the preparation of Grignard reagent. Third point is dry ether. Dry ether is act as solvent. If aqueous ether is used, what happens? If aqueous ether is used, here aqueous is act as protogenic solvent. In presence of protogenic solvent, the Grignard reagent undergoes decomposition easily. Here RMGX, in presence of water, RH and Mg, OH and X. The Grignard reagent undergoes decomposition if water aqueous ether is used. That's why dry ether is used. This is the preparation of Grignard reagent. What is the reactivity of Grignard reagent? Just observe. The Grignard reagent is a organometallic compound. Here, Grignard reagent RMGX. In this Grignard reagent, alkyl group is attached to magnesium. In this, the bond present between alkyl and magnesium is ionic bond. In this, alkyl group get negative charge, magnesium get positive charge. Here, in Grignard reagent, the alkyl group is act as base as well as nucleophile. This concept is base as well as nucleophile. Base as well as nucleophile. What is base means? The substance which donate electron to active hydrogen or acidic hydrogen is called base. Nucleophile means the substance which donate electrons to polar carbon is called nucleophile. In Grignard reagent, this alkyl group is act as base as well as nucleophile. In which reactions it is act as base, in which reaction it is act as nucleophile. Once you learn these 2 concepts, you get all the equations. Grignard reagent react with active hydrogen containing any molecule. In that equation, in that reactions, alkyl group is act as base. Grignard reagent react with polar carbon containing any compounds. In that case, alkyl group is act as nucleophile. Here, active hydrogen containing molecules. Active hydrogen containing molecules are H2O, alcohols, and phenol, carboxylic acid, and sulfonic acid, thioalcohol, and NH3, primary amine, secondary amine. Along with this one alkyne, and active methylene group containing compounds. Active methylene group means the methylene group present between 2 electron withdrawing groups. This is active methylene groups. So this is also best example. It is also contain active hydrogens. Once Grignard reagent react with this molecule contain active hydrogens. In this case, this alkyl group is act as base. Nucleophilic character. Nucleophilic character means here, Grignard reagent react with polar carbon containing compounds. In that case, it is act as nucleophile. Example, aldehydes, ketone, and carbox, derivatives of carboxylic acids. Derivatives of carboxylic acids. In all these compounds, polar carbon is present. In this case, this alkyl group is act as nucleophile. Here, when Grignard reagent react with active hydrogen containing compounds to form alkanes. This is important. Grignard reagent or MgX react with alcohols. Here alcohols contain active hydrogen. When Grignard reagent react with active hydrogen containing compounds to form alkanes. This is important. Here Grignard reagent or MgX react with carboxylic acids. In this also alkanes are formed. Grignard reagent react with active hydrogen containing compounds to form alkanes. Already given which molecules are contain active hydrogen. This is example. This example is, in this example, alkyl group is act as base. Similarly, in which reaction it is act as nucleophile is polar carbon containing compounds. Grignard reagent. Just observe Grignard reagent or MgX react with polar aldehydes or ketones or acid. In this case, this alkyl group is act as nucleophile. Here, just observe in this. Double bond is present in between carbon and oxygen. Here, oxygen electronegativity is more than carbon. That's why this double bond shifted towards oxygen. Oxygen get negative charge, carbon get positive charge. Here, this is alkyl negative, magnesium positive. In this case, here alkyl group donate the electron pair to polar carbon. In this case, this is act as nucleophile. It is further an acid hydrolysis to form alcohols. Alcohol. So this is best example. In this equation, alkyl group is act as nucleophile. Similarly, Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide. This is best example. Carbon dioxide. Here, this double bond is shifted towards oxygen. Oxygen get negative charge, carbon get positive charge. Here, alkyl group negative charge, magnesium positive. Here also same. This alkyl group donate the electron pair to polar carbon. In this reaction also, alkyl group is act as nucleophile. Alkyl group is act as nucleophile. It is further an hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis to form carboxylic acids. These are important.
Please subscribe for more videos. For any doubts, please WhatsApp to my number 98491 38961. Thank you.